show?
It was pretty good. I had fun. A lot of people left. I made a lot of friends by just walking up to people and being like, hey, listen to my demos, maybe book me. And like bumming cigarettes off people and shit.
I think people make music for a bunch of different reasons, and I think one of the reasons is like you want it to obviously resonate with people. And I think a show, especially like a packed one where like people are dancing, singing the songs, like is the easiest way to tell that something resonates. And when I do shows, it goes really well, and I think that's what makes me feel so good when I'm doing it.
I can just like kind of black out and have some fun, fucking like roll around on the floor and do stupid shit.
How long do you think you are gonna keep doing this?
Oh, until I die. All I want to do with my life is perform music.
I probably made my first song when I was like 16 years old. I probably took everything seriously when I was like 22 years old. And you know, we just signed a record deal, we've been doing big shows, I have an album coming out, so it's almost like nothing could go wrong, you know?
It's fucking lit right now!